Transmedium UFO filmed by drone travels 5,800 kilometers per hour. A video shows analysis of the footage suggests it is authentic and unedited. The object in the video is estimated to have traveled at 5,800 kilometers per hour. What would be a compelling video of UFO by today's standards? Crisp, clear footage, a high-definition photograph, a high-definition video of the object moving through the sky. All of these are characteristic UFO researchers look for when analyzing a potential UFO sighting. Regrettably, in today's online world, people often create hoax videos in an attempt to go viral for fun or even to make money. But what if a transmedium UFO filmed on video is real? There are some good videos out there, and while it's difficult to differentiate the real from the fake, there are plenty of extraordinary videos and evidence out there. Sure, there's probably more hoax material than the real deal, but nonetheless, there is certainly plenty of footage that is worthy to study. This is particularly so today when military, the government, and even scientists are eager to find out what UFO are. In the past few years, the most famous UFO footage we have is that of Navy pilots from the aircraft carrier, the USS Nimitz. And we're talking about the Tic Tac UFO incident. The three videos seem to show objects that are unlike any technology humankind knows. These objects travel extremely fast, they make sporadic extreme movements, and these objects seem to have the ability to ignore the laws of physics as known by man, and some refer to them as transmedium UFOs. But what if there was another footage, not from the military, but a civilian, that was equally compelling? Would it be hard to prove it's real? How trustworthy would such footage be? And given that there is so much hoax material on the internet, well, this Min documentary series has analyzed what is perhaps one of the most fantastic UFO videos filmed by a civilian. The video filmed by a drone pilot shows a silver disc approaching from a distance and passing just in front of the drone at mind-boggling speed. Transmedium UFO is authentic as it gets. I've watched the original drone footage previously, just as when I saw it then, it left me speechless this time around. At the time, I was unsure what to make of it, given the sheer amount of hoaxed content. Then a video documentary popped up on YouTube where the footage reappeared. However, this time someone decided to take a closer look. As part of the Contact series, Quest TV decided to investigate the footage further in an attempt to see whether it was tampered or not. The result of the analysis confirmed what I initially thought about the sighting. It was genuine and it was unedited. It was an authentic video of a transmedium UFO. However, what I did not know previously is that the object seen in the video traveled 3,600 miles an hour. What strikes me the most is the object seen in the video seems not to be affected by its surroundings. It does not seem to be affected by air resistance. It does not seem to be affected by gravity. Is this what we call a transmedium UFO? The entire documentary, which I greatly recommend, can be seen here. And this is on Collective Spark. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.